Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. So today's video is a tour of the JanesAgenda Deluxe subscription box for the month of March. So if you're interested in seeing everything that came in the box for the month of March, then this is the channel for you to watch and subscribe to. Let's go ahead and get into this intro so we can go ahead and get into this video with everything that came in the box. So I did mention this in prior videos, but I'm going to mention it again for anyone that is new here. I do go ahead and open my box and remove everything out. I started doing that just to make sure that everything that is listed on the card did come inside of the box, which I started doing back in, I want to say it's September, because I ended up getting I think it was my August box that ended up coming and it was missing an item. Yes, they did definitely go ahead and replace it and everything worked out, which I can truly appreciate. But going forward, I just go ahead and open everything, or most everything, and just ensure that I have everything that's supposed to be there, because remember, we're paying for these boxes every month. But I want to show you the box. Now, if you're not aware, if you're not a subscriber, I'm not affiliated with JanesAgenda by no means, so I don't get any money or anything for saying this, but I highly recommend subscribing specifically to the Deluxe, because Deluxe is where everything's at. But she this year 2025, all of her boxes are coming in the theme of an item within the actual box. So for March, of course, St. Patrick's Day, so we got this gorgeous marbly, or even I want to say marble, or maybe an ink oil type of design even on the sides of the box. So really pretty. And I know a lot of people are complaining because the postal service or the shipper will put an extra sticker. I don't necessarily care about that, because I'm not saving every single box. I'm only saving the ones that are just really unique and speak to me. So this one is one that I am going to be saving. But let's go ahead and get into the box. So it always comes with a card, and this card for the month of March says, just subscribe in March is the perfect time to reset and create space for growth. And this month's subscription box is here to support fresh starts and meaningful reflection. Inside, you'll find a guide to help you declutter your home and simplify your routines, empowering you to create a sense of calm and order. You'll also receive a versatile insert design for thoughtful reflection on projects, conversations, or experiences, helping you gain clarity and perspective. Now, I'm not going to read everything. I just stopped right here. Of course, if you want to, you can pause that. Hopefully my lighting does not have it too washed out. But of course, on the back of the cards, you do get a description of everything that is within the box. So I always do this out of order, but I set this to the side to actually reference. I set it over here on this side. So if you hear some dinging, y'all, that's my Apple Watch going off with notifications, and I always forget to turn the volume down on this thing, or to silence the notifications, so that it will not be loud. So now that I got my watch silenced, let's go ahead and start with the inserts. So the inserts that came in the box are the debrief planner insert. It's a versatile insert. It's great for brainstorming, project reviews, and reflective exercises. So you guys know I never really open the inserts until I'm actually on camera, if you've watched any of my past videos. So hopefully this will not be too noisy. I'm trying not to make too much noise because it's nap time in my house. So anyway, let's see here. Oh, all right. So it has wins and opportunities, your date, your project focus area, and then of course the type of sheet it is. And then it has a dot grid on the back. So I like that. This will be good for like meetings, maybe even family events, conversations, or things that you may have had with maybe a manager. So this definitely would be a work insert. So it may go into my work notebook that I have. A lot of the JanesAgenda like inserts that I can't use for my personal planner, I put them in my work notebook. So next up, we do have the 12-week reset planner insert. It has a structured 12-week system with actionable cheat sheets to simplify your cleaning routine and help you stay on top of tasks effortlessly, according to the description on the card. We also have a vellum as well. So I'm going to show you the vellum in a minute, but this is the 12-week reset. I like that. One of the things that I noticed this month is that JanesAgenda is like some of the items, instead of them all being packaged separately, like these inserts came with the vellum, and then like a few of the dashboards came with they were all in like one package with the page finder. So I really like that. So it does have like hobbies, toys, and entertainment, hidden clutter. Ooh, okay. And then we have the 15-minute idea sheet. Did I say what this was? It's 12 weeks to reset your home. And then this one was the 15-minute reset your home. So it does break it down by room, kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, entryway, etc. Let's see here. Cleaning supplies and inventory, which I love because probably most of these she has on here. I'm going to most likely have them. She's broken it down by general cleaning, your floor, your bathroom, your kitchen, your laundry, and any specialty cleaning supplies that you may need. And then there is a natural cleaning list, which when I had my daughter, I want to say maybe 2 years? So maybe about a year after I had my daughter, I really got into cleaning products that don't have a lot of harmful chemicals. Now I ain't gonna lie, I still use some like Pine Sol, Lysol, like Odoban, stuff like that. Like when you know the C word floating around with that, and now we've got flu and everything else that keeps popping up out here, getting worse. Those are my more harsher chemicals when I want to really deep clean my house, and of course Clorox. But I tend to make my own DIY cleaner, so this is a good sheet to have. I probably should make me like a little notebook just to put these in. This is daily gratitude for your home, which I can appreciate. I have learned to not have any negative things to say about my home, but to find the joy and the blessings in just being able to have it, because there's not a lot of people that can say that. And this is your seasonal declutter checklist. So spring, summer, autumn, and winter, which I really do like. And I literally just decluttered some of my closet a couple weeks ago just to take some items to the Goodwill. And I have to do it. If you have a growing child, you pretty much have to do it almost. Some of us have to do it every month, but for me, I have to do it every maybe 6 months or so. All right, so let's look at the vellum. The vellum says being organized isn't about getting rid of everything you own. It's about finding the balance between too much and just enough, which I own a lot of like nail products, y'all, because when I first started YouTube, I've said this before, I started on my nail channel, and oh my gosh, I have so many things, and almost every year I go through and get rid of products that have been sitting. I do have like a few that I just will never get rid of because I just love the colors, but like I have so much, and I don't do like the regular nail polish. I usually use gel polish, but I do have like some regular nail polish that I use just for my daughter when she wants her nails done. So because of that, I'm constantly giving away or recycling, because like Zoya, shameless plug, I know this ain't the video for that, and I don't get paid by Zoya to do this, but Zoya has a recycle, which I like. They have birthdays, so you can like send them your old polishes and of course order new ones. I did it one time before. I don't know if they still do it this way, where they would give you like an amount off for like the next purchase, or something off like for the one you do for Earth Day. But Zoya is one I really like because they are, I want to say 7 or 9 free now, and I like the fact that they'll help you recycle your bottles, so that's pretty cool. All right, so next up, let's get on into these decorative dashboards, because there are 2 sets. We got the MCC dashboard set of 2, and then we also have, what's the other one? I'm looking for the other dashboard set, the decorative dashboard pack. So I tell you guys in past videos, I never remember which is which, so I'm just going to just show them all to you. So these 2 came in a set, which I really love that. It almost feels like I'm getting ready to head into spring, where it's like spring showers, Mayflowers with the rain, and it's the same on both sides. And then you have this thing. I love these. This almost looks like oil painting, just with what I'm seeing here, how they created the pathway. That's what it almost looks like. I could definitely be wrong. And then the next 2 are these, I don't know what flowers. In her chat, people were saying birds of paradise, Someone said lilies, but they're not lilies. It reminds me of that flower you see at funerals a lot, and I forgot what that name is, but that's what it reminds me of. But I don't think that's it either, because it doesn't have a little what is it called? Stamen? Is that what it's called? It's something that comes out of the middle, y'all. Don't have me lying. And then this one goes with the outside of the box. Of course, I'm gonna let you know right now, this is going to most likely be at the front of my planner for the month of March. And again, it's the same on both sides. Okay, so what do I want to show next? Because we're getting down to the little bit here. Okay, so next up, we did receive our page finder, which did not take out the plastic just yet, but of course you can do one thing I like about it is you can change it around if you want. I don't think you want to do it this way, but I like the fact that it's a little bit clear at the top. So if you wanted to, you could actually label it if you want it, but I like that it kind of matches the dashboard here. Then we did receive our covers. So these are a gold foil cover. I did go ahead and remove them out of the plastic, but they do have a protective film on the back side. The front side is the one that does not have the protective film on it, so be careful when you pull out. But this is a nice gold foil, which I really, really do like. I know I normally do these last, but I want to go ahead and put that in there. And then this month, I am excited. She sent us a clear decorative dashboard because people were asking for them, and this is definitely going to be in my planner. Oh, I see somebody else's fingerprints on it. This is going to be in my planner most likely every single month, and I'm not going to take it out. I have some thoughts and ideas for this, so I'm so happy about that. And I like the fact that with the gold and green, it's a little bit of contrast with the black and gray. Next up is the accessory pack. I usually save this for last, so it's always inside of the plastic. So I'm going to take it out real quick. And then there's one more thing, and then I'll be all done. If I can get this out here. So since I know you guys saw the pen first, I'm going to go ahead and show that pen again. This is the Calm. It's a 0.5. We did get a light color, I want to say in the July box last year. So I think this is black ink, she said it, but again, it's a 0.5. And if you're not familiar, Calm clicks like Uniball frictions, clicks here. I'm gonna see how I feel about this one. I know the one that we got last, I didn't really care for the thinness of it, so I don't know if it was a different point, but this is a 0.5, so I'm gonna try it and see how I like it. I'm gonna give this one a shot, because you know, sometimes, you know, how you feel about one product, it may not be the same the next time you get it. So then we got this beautiful cardigan, bringing in those blacks and those grays, and it's got March. And then of course on the back you get a QR code you can scan for the I think it's going to be this picture, because usually it's this picture. Then we have our quote cards, is what I call them. I know a lot of people call them what is it, shoot, cardstock. Sorry about that, you guys. I had to stop for a minute because my Alexa was going off. So this first one is just March on it, which I really like when she does cards like this, especially for the dividers that I use, or even putting in the front pocket of my wraps. And then this next quote card says, I see opportunities where others see obstacles, which I really like. And then last but certainly not least for our quote cards, it says, give yourself some grace. I really love this one because I've been keeping the one for January in my planner just to remind myself of, you know, to stay focused and to focus on me too. So I really like this one. So this one's probably going to end up staying in my planner too. Then we also received these sand colored page flags to go with everything. And then we received 2 of these square paper clips, and mine are like put together like earrings. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's like a square within a square. So that's definitely different. I don't think I've ever seen these paper clips before. That's really, really different. So I like that. And last but certainly not least, this one is what they call the hero item of the box. We received a A5 book bound journal, and it matches, of course, the cover, and it does have elastic snap. It has a pin loop here, but let me show y'all the pièce de résistance, other than just how gorgeous it is in person. But look at that. The sides are gold foil, including at the bottom here and at the top. So when you open it, just this journal belongs to, It is dot grid, and it also is numbered. It does also have the string, so you can, put where you left off. I don't even know what I want to do with this. I don't know what I want to do with this yet, because I have ideas. I'm thinking about making it like a junk journal. That's one of the ideas, but I'm not really sure yet. But let me know in the comments below if you are a JanesAgenda Deluxe subscription box subscriber and you've received your box, how you liked your box. Do you want to become a subscriber? Let me know. I always highly recommend it, y'all, because it is nothing like this box. And every single month you get the opportunity to just have a little something different. So that is everything for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. As always, be safe in those streets, be blessed, and I'm going to catch you in the next video. Bye.